I'll soon graduate and make a lot of money and leave this house. And I achieved all of this on my own, without anyone's help. You'll see. What time is it? Oh god, it's very late. Mom, why didn't you wake me up earlier?
Jake, wake up! You'll get late to work. You have to take a shower and get dressed right now.
Okay, okay. Why did I wake up late? Did my alarm go off? Oh, I remember. Yesterday, I went out with some friends and got home very late. That's probably why I overslept. I don't even remember how I got to my room. Okay, I will take a shower. It's not fair. Why do I have to work and study at the same time? Anyway, oh, I think I am a strong person. I work and study and I do everything well. Since I was little, it was always difficult to study, and sometimes I had to work to pay for my things. But hey, I'm going to graduate soon, and all this effort will be worth it. In fact, I've already prepared my speech. Thank you all for being here. From the moment I started studying, I knew this wasn't going to be easy. When I started college, I was alone and had to work to pay for my studies. No one helped me. I never had wealthy parents or an uncle with money to pay for my studies. I've had to work since I was a child, and I was never ashamed to do so because I knew that to achieve important things, one has to sacrifice and work hard to achieve them. So today, I want to thank myself and only myself because I didn't need anyone's help. That's right. Many people take this opportunity to thank their friends, parents, uncles, godparents, but not me. I had to do it all on my own. And I want to tell you yes, you who are watching me and who don't have anyone's support, that you can make your dreams come true. Haha, I am the best. Oh, I remember when I got my first job. I was just 15 years old. Then, when I moved alone, I had to buy my own stuff. I had to pay for my own initial computer studies to get a job in a company and continue studying. And now I'm going to graduate with honors thanks to my hard work. What else could I ask for?
Jake, it's very late. Come here. Your breakfast is ready.
Yes, mom, I'm going now. I also learned a new language by myself. And of course, I had to pay for that, working hard. And look, I went to a party yesterday, and I don't remember how, but I was able to get home on my own, despite my young age. I am a very responsible man, a mature adult, despite being so young.
Jake, how long will it take you to come for breakfast? The food has been served for an hour.
Yes, mom, I'm going now. All right, I think it's time to have breakfast and go to work. Oh, I like that job. I just sit in front of the computer all day, reviewing company programs. I no longer have to work cleaning bathrooms or getting my hands dirty. And it's all thanks to my studies. And obviously, also because I'm very skilled for the job. I got it on my own and went to that interview. They recognized my potential and hired me. And how could they not? I'm the best.
Jake, are you coming or not?
Yes, Mom, one moment, please. Okay, I'm here. What did you make for breakfast? Oh, fried eggs with toast and butter. I love it.
Did you take a shower and iron your shirt?
Oh, no, I forgot it. But the shirt was ironed.
Of course, it was iron. I always iron your clothes before putting them away in the closet. Are you carrying your USB flash drive with what your boss asked you for?
Of course. How do you know that?
You told me that last week, and you said I should remind you today because you always forget. I don't want you to have problems at work.
Mom, please. I'm not a kid anymore. I know what I'm doing. It's my job.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Yeah? And who got you that job? Wasn't it Mom who talked to her boss's brother to recommend you to the company where he works? Thomas, you're also here. Yes, maybe, but I was hired because of my previous studies in computing. Those studies I paid for with so much effort. I paid for my studies myself by working hard. It was difficult, but I did it. Oh, really? So you did it alone? And who had to take out a loan for you to start studying? Didn't you ask mom for money to pay for the first year of your studies? Yeah, okay. She gave me that money, but I had to work hard to pay for the rest. Yes, I know. But when you lost your job, she always had to give you money so you could continue studying. And of course, you tried hard, but don't forget that our mother always helped you. Yes, but then I moved out to live on my own and be independent, and I bought my own things. But my mom was the one who bought you all the furniture so you could move into your new apartment. Plus, she was the one who lent you the money to pay for your first few months' rent until you could get settled. Yeah, probably. But I'm the only one in the family who moved out on my own, and I'm very independent. Really? And what are you doing here? Didn't you leave telling yourself you'd never return to this house because your future was better? You despised this house. And then what happened? You had to move back because you couldn't afford your apartment anymore. Well, no, I mean, I just came back because I, our mom told me she missed me, so I had to do her that favor. Yeah, right. But don't worry, I'll soon finish my degree with honors, being the best student. And that's something I could achieve on my own, with my own effort. I'll soon graduate and make a lot of money and leave this house. And I achieved all of this on my own, without anyone's help. You'll see. You worked hard, I have to admit it. But don't forget that it was mom who cooked for you every day so you could study in peace. She also helped you pay for college every month. What's more, she still cares for you as if you were her little one. She makes your breakfast, irons your shirt, reminds you of important things at work. Jake, without her, you wouldn't be who you are today. Maybe you're right, but I'm a very mature and responsible person. Look, yesterday I went out with some friends and drank a lot. And yet, look at me. I got home alone and everything turned out fine. Really? You don't remember, do you? My mom called you in the middle of the night to ask if you were okay. You answered, and she couldn't understand anything you said, so she had to go find you. She was the one who carried you to your room and put you to bed. Really? I didn't. I don't remember. Just think about it, Jake. And if you say you're a mature man, I hope you're also mature enough to recognize all the efforts our mother has made. And I hope you are grateful to life for having given you a mother like her. Have a good day, brother. Wow, maybe he's right. I thought I'd accomplished everything on my own. But you're right. Without mom, I wouldn't have been able to do anything. Now, this graduation speech.
Jake, did you like your breakfast? You have to hurry or you'll get late to work. Oh, what is that piece of paper?
Nothing, mom. It's nothing. It's just something very stupid. And mom, everything was delicious. You make the best breakfast. And not only that, you are the best mom in the world. And I want to thank you. Thank you for being here for me, always. And without you, I wouldn't have achieved anything.
Oh, Jake, it's the first time you tell me something like this.
Yes, I know. And I want to tell you this in my graduation ceremony. I love you, mom.